This 2002 GMC Envoy. We are doing the filters on the AC system. Is your orifice tube. If you don't have this, you might have something called a thermal expansion valve, which is usually right behind there, behind the firewall, behind those two lines. We also do the accumulator. This is also called the receiver dryer on different cars. This takes out the liquid. It's basically a dryer, so it tries to suck up the condensation liquid out of the system, keep it dry. And this right here picks up the dirt. So this is not supposed to do that, but anyway, when you take off this line right here, or this line right here going to the expansion valve area, the firewall, then it's all going to come out anyway. So anyways, if you're looking at this, basically we've got one line right here, that's a 13 millimeter. We also got a 13 millimeter down there. That's this line right here, which runs back to the firewall. That's where you're going to add the Freon. This is your high side pressure switch. So we're going to probably have to transfer that over to this part. And then your orifice tube, you're going to have to remove the coolant reservoir, and it's down on the line behind the firewall. Okay, so you got a 10 millimeter right there on your clamp. Once you loosen that up, you take off that 13, you can loosen that clamp, which is a 10 millimeter, like I said. Rotate that, pull off your line. It's just a clip like that, and you should be able to pull this up and out. Okay, so there's another Phillips right down the corner. It's just 1, 2, 3 Phillips heads. You're gonna find your air filter sitting in there like that. Like I said, it's 3 Phillips. 1, 2, 3. Over here you got 10 millimeter there. You got one right down here. And you got a 13 right there. This will come out. You just want to pick this up, get it off that. There's your orifice tube right there. So you want to take that 13 off. We're probably going to take off that 10 right there. Loosen this up, give it some wiggle room. So basically we want to pull this line out right here. You might want to take that 13 off right there too. So take that off, replace that O-ring. You're going to take that off and then suck that orifice tube out from there. Okay, so I took off this line right here. It goes from here down to right there. Okay. Here's your orifice tube. Right, this is your filter. It's right inside there. See that? Okay. Same thing. Right? Alright, so to get this out, you can use some pliers. You can use some regular needle nose pliers. This is a little fancy tool. Basically, you find which adapter fits on there. Screw that on, and then you're gonna run this down until it gets tight, and then just turn this counterclockwise and pull it out, and when you run this down, it'll pull it out. So you want to kind of grab, you know what I'm saying, if you can. I think this is the wrong adapter. Actually, I want this one. Shit. But you want to be able to grab and pull it out. So you want the adapter that's going to reach and get up under these nubs and then pull it out. So here's the old one, here's the new one. This old one, I don't know if you can see it. I cleaned it up, but I don't know what the point of that was. There's a bunch of damn metal shavings in here, big chunks of metal. So that's probably why the old one failed. But you know, you're going to take your new one and then kind of just turn it clockwise. Use your tool. These pliers work really great. These little needle nose joints. You put your line back on. Put this guy back in there.